Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. Guys, we're in our wholesaler week. These are amazing clients. You can see this three boo. You guys will be surprised. Mommy Kira, what is going on here? Okay, guys, this is my job. You guys know me. I'm the number one, the champion. You understand? This is my amazing client. Three of them. Okay, this one is for Paleskia, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name, UK. This one is for Damilola, UK, and this one is from Sonia, Ireland. Okay, these are my customer. They went to my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com to get Snow White. Then they asked me, Mommy Kira, please, we love this Snow White too, but most said this my amazing client. She said her skin dey tough. Cream does not work on her skin. Okay, that she wants to incorporate Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil inside. And I said, okay, good. You know, if you go to the website, you will see my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up for me to recommend for you. Anything you want me to recommend, okay, I will recommend for you. You understand me? As long as it's Kirasecret product you want me to recommend, I don't charge. This thing I'm doing now, I did not charge them for this. This mixing I'm mixing for them, I did not. The only thing I told them what and what to buy, then I'll help them to miss it. You understand? Because I already know their skin issues, everything. You know, anytime you're doing recommendation, it's one-on-one, you and your customer. No, I do recommendation for people that are ready to buy, not people that will just come to my WhatsApp to start. They don't want to buy, they will just be asking questions, asking me. It is where God Almighty will protect all of us. You understand me? Okay, we want to start. Okay guys, please like this my video. You can see the scale. Okay, you can see I've already let me put the camera. I've already made sure everything out. I don't know if my camera is showing this key. Okay, okay, this client, okay, this is 500 ml, okay, and this other one is 500, and this one is 5. This is Paliska. This is 500, this is 500. This client, she told me, Mommy Kira, my skin is very tough, okay, and also have white patches. Then I recommended the Skin Good tube. Okay, look at it. Please watch this video to the end so that you see the way I'm missing it. Okay, look at it. I don't know if you can see it very well. I'll press everything inside. Okay, this tube will help for white patches, white dots. It's going to prevent it because this client has white patches. You know, that's why it's always good sometimes to do recommendation when you have skin issues. Okay, and you want to also whiten up your skin. You can see it. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, you can see. Look at it. Okay. Yes, she said I should put Secret White Strong Whitening Serum inside. You know, this Secret White Strong Whitening Serum is super effective. The Secret White Serum Concentrate and Oil. Okay, we'll be putting them inside. Look at it. This is the 3. Okay, we'll be putting it for Pali one after the other. We're going to pour it inside. If you have a tough skin, cream need to work for your body. Okay, you don't use different products. You've tried so many products. Please get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it inside your skincare production. See, you go white up, down. This product does not give no green vein, no stretch mark, no white dot at all. Your skin will be so white, clean, and sharp. You understand? Super effective. See it? This production for Pali. See it? You can see it. You know, Mommy Kira, you guys know me. I'm the number one, the champion. I do things clearly. I don't hide when I do things. See? She also, this is stretch mark ampoule. This will help anything stretch mark. Maybe if you have existing stretch mark on your skin, okay, you don't want it to escalate, okay, just add one stretch mark ampoule. See, not any old stretch mark like you know go show again. You understand? Yeah, this is a stretch mark ampoule. I've already opened it. Okay, you can see it. Any stretch mark, you will not see it anymore. Very good. This is stretch mark ampoule. You can see it. Okay, this is for Paliska. I'm done with with your promising. The next is to stick blend and bottle it for you. Okay, look at what I used for you. The Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, and one stretch mark ampoule, and the Skin Go Tube. You can see it. You know, if Mommy Kira is doing something, I do it very well. I don't deceive or cheat people. Look at your stretch mark ampoule. Okay, yeah, you can see it. I'm going to stick blend it. I'll put yours aside. Okay, let me start with this is Damilala. Okay, this is Damilala's own. You can see the scale. You can see the scale. You can see the scale. You scale it already. Okay, guys, you know that I'm the number one, the champion. This is Damilala. Okay, we want to start our own. Okay, we use the Skin Go tube. You know, already told you guys what Skin Go does on the skin. If you have any skin issue, you're on the website, just chat me up. I will guide you what and what to buy. If you don't know what to buy, okay, you guys know now, Mommy Kira, I'm the number one, the champion. This Snow White lotion is already active, but this is my amazing client skin. She wanted more whitening. Okay, you can see this 500 ml of the Snow White 3 days whitening body lotion. Okay, but my clients, this is anti-reaction tube. If you have white patches, white dot, any skin issues, or your skin is so sensitive, you understand me, any whitening cream you put on your body, you start having a reaction, it's good for you to just get Skin Go tube. Skin Go tube has been in the market for so many years. Okay, then she got the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. This is a strong whitening serum that whitens the skin without no skin issue. This is the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and this is the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. These three products is the number one, the champion. It's a full set, you understand me? Some people chat me up and say, Mommy Kira, which one should I buy? Which one is more active? I use the three. That's why I don't answer those kind of questions. Anyone where your money reach, buy. You understand me? But me, I use three. I use it for production, and it works for me. If my clients want to whiten their skin without no skin issue, I recommend this for them. This is the number one. I don't recommend any other serum concentrate. This is what I recommend because I don't use them. It work. You understand me? We're putting the three inside the lotion. You can see the product is working. That's how they're buying. You can see I'm doing three production at the same time. You understand me? This one is not capping. This is not customer order that I'm missing. You that you are doing production, your product know the work, your customer that complaining, say you they produce for them, they don't see any result. So you to go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it inside your face cream, your lotion, your mulatto soap, your 𝐂𝐿FCAST soap. Put them inside your body whitening body or your Pro. Put them for your production. You did the waste your time. You understand me? Wasting your money buying different products when they work. You don't have to do that, okay? Save yourself that stress. Okay, look at it. The Secret White Strong Whitening Serum Concentrate and Oil. We've put it, and this is Damilala. Order. You can see it. You can see the first person who ordered serum concentrate and oil. You can see it. Yes. Yeah, you can see it now. This is the stretch mark ampoule. This stretch mark ampoule will help any stretch mark out of the skin. You can see it. You know, what I'm putting is that they have stretch mark on their skin. And, you know, when a client tells you, you recommend for them what to prevent it. You understand me? Yes, for them to have this flawless, amazing skin tune. Last but not the least, this for Sonia. She got the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum. Okay, and this customer has been using our product for 2 years and she loves it. Look at it. This product is the number one champion. They work, they show, they play, super effective. You understand? They produce, your customer, they complain. Please don't waste your money anymore. Go and get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum Concentrate and Oil. You have a cosmetic shop. You know the Secret White Serum Concentrate and Oil. What are you waiting for? This product now sold out. They work. You understand? Since last 2 years, when I don't know this product, I carry them for head. It work. It give me joy. You can see it. Okay, guys, I'm done. You can see I'll film it. When I'm done, you see I'll package everything and show you guys before we ship it out. Okay, I just want to film this and let you know that people they buy, people are going to the website to place order. You understand me? Please go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get your Snow White, your Instant White, your HALFCAST. We have different, see, Arabian Fairness Lotion is on the website. Go there and buy. We also sell original branded products, okay? Go follow us on Instagram at Kirasecret Global, TikTok Kirasecret Global, okay, Facebook Kirasecret Skincare. See, please follow our social media. Go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. If you want to ship, let Mommy Kira ship for you. Whether you're buying product from, whether you're not buying, our shipping cost is very, very affordable, okay? Let's ship for you to your doorstep. Yes, guys, we're done. We're done packaging everything. You guys know Mommy Kira, I'm the number one, the champion. You can see the three package: Sonia, Dami, and Pali Scar. You know, you can see we want to ship it out. Guys, what are you waiting for? Please go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get your own skincare product. We are the number one, the champion. If you don't really know what you want and you're a serious buyer, you want to buy, please chat me up. My WhatsApp number is on the website, okay? Just chat me up and I will guide you up and you place your order. You understand me? I love you guys so much. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.